So the Design4me service will allow you to request for different types of dental wax-ups. So I will give you here an overview on the types of dental wax-ups you can order from the Design4me by SmileFy and what files you need to send to our Smile designer so they have a better information on what you're looking for. So the first one that I will show you here is the Motivational wax-up. So the Motivational wax-up, just as the name says, it motivates the patients. So it will be totally additive and it will go over the patient's existing teeth. Okay, that has no purpose for a tooth preparation or no purpose for an ideal situation, but it's for your patient to visualize, to preview that future restoration that you are proposing. Okay, so here the files that you will be needing to send are the facial photograph, as you can see here, with the face centered, patients looking straight at the lens of the camera and a big wide smile, as well as the upper and lower intraoral scan that should be in occlusion, and the smile simulation. Okay, so the smile simulation will help the smile designer to better understand what type of teeth shade you would like to have, the proportions, and so on. Now, the other type of dental wax-up that you can order are the composite veneers, where you will receive two models, one with the full design, and the other model will have every other tooth for injectable or direct composite veneers. Over here, we recommend you to use a case that is either additive or a patient that has just finished the ortho procedure, someone who does not have flared teeth, so that it can be a minimally invasive design and a minimally invasive restoration itself. The files that you need to send are the facial photos with a smiling picture, RACID picture, and a 12 o'clock picture. The upper and lower intraoral scan, either in occlusion or already registered with the new video in case you're opening the vertical, as well as the smile simulation, so the smile designer can have a better understanding on the teeth position and teeth shape for your dental wax-up. For the over-the-prep teeth design, you need to send the smile designer an intraoral scan with the teeth already prepped. If you also have the original intraoral scan, that will also be helpful. But as you can see, the smile designer will design veneers or crowns for you to test on the patient's mouth. The idea here is for you to start that process, and once the patient approves it, you send it to your dental technician for final manufacturing. The files that you need to send for the over-the-prep mock-ups are a frontal facial smiley picture, a RACID picture, and a 12 o'clock picture, as well as the prepped intraoral scan, the opposing intraoral scan, let's say if it's upper or lower, in occlusion or with the new video registered. If you have the original STL prior prepping, that also will help the smile designer to design it for you. Also, send a smile simulation with a simple picture. Do the smile simulation for the smile designer to have a better understanding on the teeth proportion and teeth shape, as well as the height. After you send the files for your Design4me service, you will receive these files back into your SmileFy account in 24 hours or 1 business day. And you'll be able to receive a couple of short videos teaching you how you can make small modifications or how you can export these print read files for you to test or to perform the restorations that you are looking for in your patient's case.